In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a sticky Add to Cart button in Shopify Sense theme. A sticky Add to Cart button is a small but powerful boost to your product pages. It stays visible as shoppers scroll, so they can add items to their cart without having to scroll back up. This can reduce friction, especially on mobile, and help turn more browsers into buyers. There are two ways to get this working on the Sense theme. You can use an app, which is the fastest and safest route, or you can build it yourself with code if you want deeper control. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on the app method so you can get results quickly without touching theme files. From your Shopify admin, open the Shopify App Store and search for a sticky add to cart solution. Popular options include Ultimate Sticky Add to Cart and SEO Ant Sticky Add to Cart. These are designed to work with modern themes like Sense and are built to support both desktop and mobile. Choose an app with good reviews and clear documentation, then click to install and approve the permissions. Once installed, open the app and follow its setup steps. Most of these tools automatically inject a sticky add to cart bar into your product pages, so there's usually no need to edit your theme code. You'll typically see an onboarding wizard where you can choose the bar's position, basic styling, and behavior. Many apps also let you decide when the bar appears, such as after a small scroll, and whether it shows product details like price or variant selectors. After the app finishes setup, visit one of your product pages and scroll. You should notice a floating add to cart button or bar that remains visible as you move down the page. On mobile, it usually hugs the bottom edge of the screen for easy thumb access. If your brand has specific styling, you can usually fine-tune colors, fonts, button text, and size right in the app's settings so it matches your theme. The big advantages of this approach are speed and reliability. Setup is quick, it generally works across devices, and there's minimal risk of breaking theme code. The trade-offs are that you're relying on a third-party app. Customization may be limited to the options they provide, and some apps add extra scripts that can affect performance if you install too many. That's it. Using an app is a straightforward, low-risk way to add a sticky add to cart button to the Sense theme. If you ever need deeper customization, you can explore a code-based approach later.